That was taken from my other Miele, as this one didn't have the wee flap, so it didn't. So I just stuck it on this. I have waited so damn long to get one of these running, and I am so happy it works. This is a 2016 machine, but all the electronics are 2008, so they are, so that's all been replaced, and it's working like a charm. I did unfortunately lose one of the screws. Well, I can't find one of the screws for the door, the door hinge, so it hangs, so it does, but just doing the test washing and it's working fine. I have the side off it, that's nice and warm too, which is really nice. I'm really chuffed. So I still have to put the sides and all back together, of course, but drum light doesn't work, so it doesn't, the wire for it from my old Miele, the wee connector block broke off, so it did, and I couldn't fix it, so I need to get a new wire for that if I want it to work, which I'm not going to do for now. So I'm going to save my money for other things. I'm sure I will have it running at some point though. I'm just really happy it's working. I've waited so long for this day to finally use one of these, so I'm really happy. I had a bit of trouble first whenever I first stuck it on. I hadn't put the wee air tube, wee air chamber that it has in properly, and it was leaking water out onto the floor. You have to really push it in, so you do, so, and I obviously didn't, but it's working, so I'll be sticking this on a boil wash once it's finished. I'm really happy. I'll be sticking all the programs on it too, so I'll have 60 plus cycles to choose from. But I never thought I'd see the day where I'd get this fixed. That's just made my whole week. I'm really happy. Words can't even express how happy I am, honestly.